guys, welcome back to Pit Cruise. Today, this is like the worst day ever. We're going to a car show, and we're going to a car show tomorrow. That's a nice quad. We're going to a car show tomorrow, and we had to strap down, and it took such a while. Of course, I'm roofing now how to get in the tire.
So as we are loaded up and we're about to head down on like a 60-70 mile drive, we decided it was a good idea to stop at a Taco Bell. We were going to make sure that the car was strapped down good, that we were all right for a long haul. Coming out, boom, we hear it. We got a nail in the tire. So right now we need to get back on the road. So it's a good thing we got a tire repair kit in the truck. Jojo, yeah. Take the camera, bud. Show them the tire repair kit we're going to be using. So my choice was what? A Go Rhino tire repair kit. So very simple to do this. It's like a little lube. We're going to put this on this piece right here. So this will ream out the tire. Got a pair of pliers. We're going to pull out the nail. You're going to hear a lot of air hissing out all at once. And then we're going to pop in our tire plug and we will be cutting it with the razor blade. So with all of these, let's see how we do. Happy that it's actually the front tire because it makes it a lot easier. We're able to back it out. Joe, don't stand right in front because when I use that lube, it's going to probably shoot it right out. Can you see the nail?
Yep.
Wow, what a little baby nail. Okay, let's see. That guy was so tiny. I can't believe with these tires. Okay, so this is gonna ream it. Now you only want to do a tire plug if it's towards the center of the tire. If it happened right on the outer, you should not be using plugs on your vehicle.
Then what would you want to use?
Your spare tire. You'd be replacing it.
Well, good thing this happened right here.
Okay, you ready? Yep. Don't get nervous, stand back. It's going to spit out a little bit. Grab the light from the door, I can't see. I think I got it. Okay. So now with this, we're going to work it in. Come on, Batman. Right about there. I don't want it to fully go in. We're going to pull it out. Right there. Whoop, don't lose that nail. We don't want to run over that guy again. Razor blade. Hold that light up, Joe.
Let's throw that nail.
Okay. Hold the light up. And just with the razor, we're going to cut the excess off. What we'll do is we'll take our 70-mile trip and we are going to check this. We'll spray some Windex on it.
Should I have some Windex?
I don't have any Windex in my car, but when we get down to Uncle Mark's, we should. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check the air pressure, re-inflate the tire, get back on the road, baby. It's that simple. Glad we had that so we didn't have to head back home. All right, so quick fix turns into a little problem. These are live real-time problems right now. The cigarette lighter for our little air pump doesn't fit, so I was unable to plug it in. Looking at the cigarette lighter, it looks a little deformed on the outer part. I don't know if you guys could see it on the camera there, but when I open it up to check the fuse, I guess the last time I used this, I really let it run. It completely melted the fuse, and this guy's shot. I can't plug this in. It's not gonna let me do anything. So what I'm gonna do, cutting the head off, and we are going to strip these wires. I'll have Jojo hold it to the battery, or I'll twist it around. We're going to make this happen to fill up the tire, because when I just checked the dashboard, we're at 56 psi for the front driver side And let's see what it says. See if you can get the camera on there, bud. So we're at 56. It should be about 65 to 70 on the front. So tire pressure for our front driver's side. See the 5.6 top left. Back it up a little. So let's see if we could just splice this onto the battery and make it happen. Hopefully we can leave those wires there. All right, put this on the ground over there, Joe.
Right here?
Closer to the tire. See if we get enough. Would that hose reach there? Piece right here?
Yep.
Okay. Walk over a little bit. What I want you to do, you're going to have to hold it right here for me. Okay? Now, let's get this screwed on. Let me straighten. This dude, we got this, because we are not doing the car show tomorrow.
There's no way after all this work.
Pump's not on, stay right there.
Yeah. Just felt something in low power.
We're back on. You could read the PSI on here. We're back up to 60. We're going to get it to about 65, 70, and then we'll hit the road.
What do I do?
Damn, bro. Nothing like having a good time. No! The wire came loose. You can see it. Oop, cat lights in the way. I don't know if you saw that spark, but I'm literally just barely tapping it. You can see while it's pulling a draw, these wires are getting hot. Whew, let's hope it fills up quick. What are we at? We at 70 yet? Are you sure, doctor? You're positive?
Positive.
Okay, next big line is 70. So we're almost there. Hit the buttons off when it hits 70.
What buttons?
Car is reading 62. Once we start driving, it'll register.
Yeah,
we'll be good. Oh, button's right over here. Boom.
Wait, we hit 70?
We hit 70. We're close to it. That's good enough. Stand in front of the truck, please. Cap back on. All right. We'll get our tools. We'll disconnect that little shimmy rig we did and hit the road. You ready? Or you want to go home? You want to call it quits?
No.
No, we're going. This is happening. Cool. We're on the road again. Alright, so after that little snafu, we plugged the tire. We're holding at 63 pounds. So we got another 63 miles to go to our destination. So we'll see how that tire plug holds up. I am so happy we washed the car this afternoon because it's raining. What else is gonna happen today, dude?
First hockey, then a birthday party, then strap down the car.
No. So first we had to borrow this trailer from Daddy's friend, and there was a car on it, so we had to take it off, bring it back to the house, then bring it to hockey. Get home from hockey, we washed the car, vacuumed out the inside, and detailed the inside, right?
Yep.
Then you took a shower, I took a shower, and then you had a birthday party. Then when we got back home, we had to drive the car up onto the trailer, hook up the trailer, strap it down, pack our bags, load the truck.
And another thing we might be fixing that car is a battery.
Yep, so we're gonna trickle charge the battery overnight. Doesn't hold, we gotta replace the battery. So, What does Fabio say? It never ends. Let's go. All right, so just got off the parkway. We did about 63 miles. That plug is holding strong. We're at 62 PSI in the driver's side front tire. The driver's side passenger tire dropped down to 66. So it's raining, it's a little cool out. So it could be the reason why we went down 1 PSI in each tire there. Little man is enjoying a snooze. So he's been out. It's about 9:30 at night. And that plug is holding strong. So we'll check back in and we'll do a little Wood-Dex test on it, or a little soap and water. Just make sure that that plug's holding and it's not leaking.